Today I will show you how to play crafting and building with your friends. The first thing you will have to do is to click Settings. Then you will have to click Account. Now you will have to click Sign in for free. Now click again in Sign in. Now you will have to create an account and your friend has to create an account. What you will have to do is to use your email and password. After the creation of your account, come back to the game. If you go back to the first screen, you will see that now you have a tag up here in your chat. Now you have to click in the Play tab and now in Friends tab. Now click in Add Friend. And if you created your account, you will now be able to click and insert his tag, the tag of your friend. When you add him, you will see him here and you can enter his room, as long as both of you are using the same connection, the same Wi-Fi. Don't forget to like and subscribe.